Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel, and it's summer 2020 and I decide to use today something beautiful and vibrant. I choose Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. It's such beautiful bright colors, but I promise this look it's gonna be so easy and not complicated. And let's start. My first step, it's always eyeshadow primer. If you want your eyeshadow stay all day long, not run, not crease, and if you want to see true color, please use eyeshadow primer. This is it's LANCOME. It's one of my favorite primer. Then I'm gonna use this big brush, and it's a blush brush, but I'm gonna set my primer with loose powder. Why? Because I want my eyeshadow go very beautifully in even. And now let's start with this gorgeous palette from Anastasia, and it's named Nirvana. Let's start with A3, and we're gonna use this beautiful big brush from LANCOME. It's a blending brush, and I'm gonna use this is my transition color. Okay, and how I always say, we are making like a big letter C. And look, it's just one my eye and another, how pretty and vibrant already. It's still summer 2020, right? Now let's do another one. I definitely recommend to put light color over your eyelid, or like I did with using loose powder, because these colors it's go very intense. Blending, it's very important. Most important in eyeshadow, I think, application, it's blending. Okay, I have one color on my eyelid and it's a middle color. Now let's use let's go with this beautiful burgundy color. I'm gonna use a small tiny brush, but it's a still blending brush, and we're gonna make a little bit smaller color, like a little bit smaller letter C, and we're gonna start from bottom eyelashes and we'll go up. Okay, from bottom, and now we're going up. Again, I trying to make my eye like eye lift without plastic surgeon. Now we're gonna go close to my eyelashes. Again, if you are new person who's not yet really good with eyeshadow, try to use less of this eyeshadow. This eyeshadow really pigmented, but they're beautiful. And I like this palette because it's so different than anything in the market to me. Okay, we start from bottom, we'll go up, then close to, I apply this eyeshadow close to my eyelashes and I go up, and now again we're gonna make like a letter C. This is my crease. And now let's do another eye. Again, we start from bottom. Close to my eyelashes, kind of halfway eye. And now like I'm making like a little letter C. I apply on top of my transition color. Hey, how pretty. Very pretty. I feel it's like so beautiful, this color for summer 2020. Okay, don't worry about if it's your eyeshadow don't look even. Now I'm gonna use this big blending brush from LANCOME number 17, and I'm gonna blend my transition color with this crease color, two colors together. Again, now eyeshadows don't look like so aggressive. They look very soft and very evenly blend. Now I'm gonna use this beautiful light color, and it's number A2, and I'm gonna use close to my eyebrows. I have another little blending brush from MAC number, I believe, 61. And again, this color, it's have if two before colors they matte, this is color it's shimmer, and I'm again applying close to my eyebrows. Give me again eye lift, and it's like a gold, beautiful gold color. This palette also you can buy at Nordstrom, and you can reach me and I can sell you. Okay, now I'm gonna use another color, and it's also shimmer. It's in center of this palette, and its name is B2. And how I'm gonna apply? I'm gonna try to apply first with my finger. Why? Because eyeshadow go a little bit more intense. Hey, so pretty. You know what? I feel I want this eye little bit more even sexy. Okay, I'm gonna use flat synthetic brush. I'm gonna use right now LANCOME makeup setting mist. It's no fragrance, and I'm gonna just spray this brush just like this. And now I'm gonna use this eyeshadow. Why? Yay! Eyeshadow a little bit go more intense, more shimmer, more sparkles. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, now let's do another my eye, and we finishing this eye look. I'm gonna use just mascara primer, and of course I'm gonna use liquid eyeliner to make my eye a little bit more sexy. I hope you like this eye application. I feel this is very easy, very quick. If you like this application, if you like this look, please subscribe Katya Beauty Style channel, or follow me on Instagram or Facebook. Yeah, so pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna use a small tiny brush. And I'm gonna use again this lightest color A2, and I'm gonna put a little bit on corner of my eye. I really like it's giving an extra pop. Okay, big blending brush, and I'm gonna just blend all eyeshadow together. Also, I feel like I want to use these two colors together, and it's A3 and B3 is my blush. Okay, just very little. So pretty. Okay, I'm finishing my look. I'm gonna use mascara now, liquid eyeliner from Clinique, and of course my favorite LANCOME conditioner primer. And I will be right back with my finished look. And this is my final look. I use primer, liquid eyeliner from Clinique, mascara from Chanel. My eyelashes looks amazing, and I feel my eyeshadow looks so beautiful. Yes, it is pop, but it's not too much. It's wearable. I can wear this for work. I can go to this shop, grocery, and don't be scared of these colors. They're beautiful. They're so pretty and vibrant, and it depends on how you apply. If you want little just eyeshadow, just apply less. If you want more vibrant and intense, you can just apply and layer and build your eyeshadow to vibrant colors. I hope you like this eyeshadow look. I hope it's very easy. I use only 4 eyeshadow. If you like this look, please follow me on Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, or watch my video on YouTube. Okay, love you all. Bye.